Team, is with heaviness of heart that I have to tell you, one of us have fallen. One of my really good friends just told me that his Facebook account has been hacked. His wife has to be posting in his behalf to everybody to please don't pay attention to the ads that he's been publishing, because it's no longer him. So I've been telling you over and over, this is a serious fight. Scammers are always lurking and are always looking for you to fall into the trap. Now, please share this video. Please share it with your friends, with your family, and let them know. I'm not asking for money. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just trying to help all the people that see this video and watch this video just to know and learn a little bit more on how to not fall victim of this scammers, this tricksters. So let me show you one more time. It's very easy. I'm gonna open the video here. You open the Facebook app. You go to the messages. Irregularly, you're gonna see messages like this. I get them all the time. This is from Camila Monranto. Supposedly it's a Facebook business representative. It's not. It is not. They're sending a link. This Gina lady is sending a link where they say, oh, you need to verify your account. You need to put your info to verify your account. No, they want to hack you. This lady wants to sell me something like ads and stuff like that. Don't pay attention to any of that. These other ones, another link, they want you to download something into your phone. They're going to rip you all of your passwords. So how do you do it? You go to the person that you want to report. You click the little person. You tap at the bottom where it says something is wrong. Then you tap other right here, and then you tap spam. You tap spam and then send feedback at the bottom. That's how you report them. You report these users and don't click any links. Don't respond to them. These are fake news, fake users, fake representatives. Facebook does not send you messages directly to your messenger. Facebook business, if you have an ad or you have an account, they send you messages through Facebook business website. You need to check the notifications. They will communicate with you through the tools. So be ready, pay attention. Don't be a victim of scam. Let's keep learning. Let's keep learning. Share this video one more time, and good luck out there.